Well, this is what Nitin Gadkari has tweeted, rubbishing the snooping charge. He's tweeted saying, as already stated, I reiterate that no devices were found at my residence anywhere. So this is the second time Nitin Gadkari has actually responded on this controversy, saying there has been nothing found at his residence. Aditya is still with me. Aditya, well, Nitin Gadkari clearly coming out again and saying that there's nothing been found there, but one would also expect that on a larger basis, the government may not want to easily agree to the fact that their own security has been compromised.
Well, absolutely, Tanvi. A very pertinent point there. Nitin Gadkari at this moment tweeting saying that there was no such device, listening device, that was found from his Teen Murti residence in Lutyens, Delhi. But clearly, we are being told from our sources that behind the corridors of the North Block and South Block, there are discussions happening, debates happening. In fact, National Security Advisor Ajit Doval also had a meeting with the Home Minister Rajnath Singh, clearly pointing to the fact that government is very much concerned that as part of this sharing that was perhaps done in the UPA 2 era, now it is the government itself that is being snooped upon. A senior minister, none other than Nitin Gadkari, who is not just a transport minister, who is not just close to the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, a close link between the BJP and the RSS, but also somebody who is in the top 4 group of ministers, which are namely, of course, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Rajnath Singh, Defence Minister Arun Jaitley, and of course this senior minister Nitin Gadkari. Gadkari clearly denying any such report, saying yet another for the second straight day that no such listening devices were found. But with these revelations of Edward Snowden in this document, it was a Rampart A that was coded. There was third-party understanding between India and the National Security Agency. So clearly some tough questioning, not just from the BJP that needs to be answered, but also from the UPA too, that whether there was some secret understanding between the NSA and the Indian government.